Guys, my name is Michael and welcome to another GTK tutorial. It is time to move on now, and in this new playlist we are going to learn a new kind of implementation which is called GSimpleActionGroup. I let it for the last because I wanted to be sure that you understand everything we learned until now. So for this video, better said, for this playlist to be understand for yourself, I was strongly suggesting you that you follow all these playlists in this order: G menu, G simple action, G action map, G action, and G action group. If you understand all the thing, then this will be a piece of cake for you. Now, if you probably noticed already, we were working only with G menu and actions, and with the GTK application, which means probably you were thinking yourself that this is the only way, or this is the which you can work with, or maybe this is the only way which I can provide you. No, it's not. There are many ways, and today I'm going to show you in this video, in the next coming, which they will belong to this playlist, how we can create something similar to this one. Here in this example, as you can see, we have a GTK menu button. Once that you click on it, you see it reveal a pop-over. If you click the file, watch how this thing change and looks like. Basically, this kind of information you are going to learn today in this video and in the next coming one. So let's get started. The first thing first, which we need to create a new project. If you if you don't have a code blocks, I'm suggesting you to install it, or if you want to work with another, then it's your decision. Anyway, I'm going to create a new project. Now I'm going to move to GTK. It will be entirely new for you. Why? Because this time I'm not going to work with GTK application. So G Simple Action Group, it will be called G Simple Action Group. Yes. Now this project, it is what we are going to create. Let me open the manager for a second, because I need to open the main. Now I'm going to close the management. Anyway, as you can see, here we have GTK window new instead of GTK application. So this is the way how I'm going to introduce you now. I'm going to introduce you another way of working with actions, where you can insert basically those actions to some particular widgets. For this, the thing which we need first, it is that I'm going to create a box. So GTK widget box. Now I'm going to create a box. GTK box new. Now the orientation of the box, I'm going to say GTK orientation. It will be vertical, or no, horizontal, better. And I'm going to say 5 for the spacing. Now GTK container add, it will be called GTK container. It will be the window. Sorry, I just delete something here. Container, and of course the box. Now, because we have basically created the box and we put it inside the window, the next thing which we are going to do, we are going to create a menu. This is very important. So at the first place, we are going to work again with G menu, but you will see the difference after that. So G menu, and here I'm going to say menu. Now let us create this menu. Basically, to make our main function smaller, I'm going to say menu and then create menu function, which it will be created. Now let us create this function, because this function basically help us to create the menu which we needed. For this we need static G menu, not like that, like that, and here of course create menu, the same name which we needed. Okay, again I delete something. I hate when happens and void, because we have no parameters. And now in this function basically we need a G menu and the file menu, G menu file menu. Why I'm doing this? Because if you check again, let me go back a little bit, change it to GTK demos, change it to GSimple and so on. You saw here that I have a file menu right here, this one. So basically this is the menu with the file menu inside it. So this is what we want to create at this point. You will understand better. G menu item, it is the next thing which we need. And now let me make it nicer. And now of course what do we need? We need to create a menu, which is the first thing. Oop, not like that. Not like that. Let's say create the main menu. New. And of course the next thing which we need to create a file menu. Now because we have created the main menu and file menu, we can proceed with creating the items. So basically we need to create 3 items which are very important. So item, G menu item new, and here it will be new. And here I'm going to, until now you probably saw something like app dot and then new. Basically we are targeting the app. Now I'm going to show you something different. So this time I'm going to use file. So we are going to create our own. You will see, you will understand it later. Okay, anyway, the next thing what we need a G append G menu, sorry, G menu append item. And here we are going to basically append in the file menu, we are going to append the item. And next, because we are done with it, G object unref our item. So this is the new item. Not here, let me format it a little bit. And now let us create another 2 items. It will be the open and the close. So here will be close, close, open and open. And now because we have all these 3 items, let us append inside the file menu. Let us append now the file menu to the menu. So G menu append submenu, and here we are going to say menu file, and of course G menu model. Like I said, at this point you should understand what I'm doing here if you follow the G menu playlist. And of course we need to unref G object unref the file menu. And of course we need to return the menu. Now if everything looks good and if everything is fine, let me compile it and run it and see if we get some errors. G menu file menu, yes, because it needs to be with big G, not G. Okay, let me see what's the error here. Yes, why is happening this? the same story goes here as well. G menu, implicit declaration function create menu. What name? Create. Okay, sorry. Now let me compile it around again. Now everything looks good and looks fine, because now we basically create a menu, but we are not actually using it, which is a good time now that we do something with it. Now I'm going to stop with this video, because we do have too much information at this point, and in the next video we are going to create our menu button, and we are going to put this menu inside the menu button. That being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.